In today's dynamic work environment, effective teamwork is the bedrock of successful projects. As a project management expert, I've witnessed firsthand how the right tools can transform a group of individuals into a high-performing unit. One such tool that consistently stands out for its versatility and collaborative power is Smartsheet. While Smartsheet is a robust platform on its own, its true potential is unlocked when seamlessly integrated into your team's workflow. This video will walk you through exactly how to use Smartsheet effectively within teams, ensuring everyone stays aligned, informed, and empowered to contribute their best. We'll break down the key features and provide practical steps, making it easy for anyone, regardless of their technical expertise, to understand and implement. Understanding the synergy. Why Smartsheet and Teams are a perfect match. Before diving into the how, let's briefly touch upon the why. Integrating Smartsheet into your team environment offers a multitude of benefits. Centralized information hub. Say goodbye to scattered emails and disparate documents. Smartsheet acts as a single source of truth for all project-related information, including tasks, deadlines, assignments, progress updates, and relevant files. Enhanced collaboration. Smartsheet fosters real-time collaboration. Multiple team members can simultaneously view and edit sheets, ensuring everyone is working with the latest information. Improved communication. Built-in communication features like comments and discussions allow for contextual conversations directly within the project context, reducing misunderstandings and streamlining feedback. Increased accountability. Clearly defined assignments and deadlines within Smartsheet ensure everyone knows their responsibilities and when tasks are due, fostering accountability. Real-time visibility. Dashboards and reports provide a clear, visual overview of project progress, potential roadblocks, and resource allocation, allowing for proactive decision-making. Streamlined workflows. Automating repetitive tasks with Smartsheet's automation capabilities frees up valuable time and reduces the risk of human error. Data-driven insights. The ability to collect and analyze data within Smartsheet empowers teams to track performance, identify trends, and make informed adjustments. Getting started. Setting the stage for team collaboration in Smartsheet. The first step is to ensure your team has access to Smartsheet. Depending on your organization's subscription, team members will likely have individual accounts. Once everyone is on board, here's how to start leveraging Smartsheet for team collaboration. 1. Creating shared workspaces. Think of workspaces as digital containers for organizing related sheets, reports, and dashboards. Creating shared workspaces is crucial for team collaboration as it provides a central location for all project assets. How to do it? In your Smartsheet home, click the plus icon in the left sidebar and select Workspace. Give your workspace a clear and descriptive name, e.g., Marketing Campaign Q3 2025. Sharing the workspace. Once created, right-click on the workspace name and select Share. Enter the email addresses of your team members and assign appropriate permission levels. Viewer, Editor, Admin. Editor allows team members to modify content, while Admin grants full control over the workspace, including sharing permissions. 2. Building collaborative sheets. Sheets are the fundamental building blocks of Smartsheet, resembling spreadsheets but with enhanced project management capabilities. Creating a new sheet. Within your shared workspace, click the Create button and select Sheet. Choose a blank sheet or a pre-built template relevant to your project, e.g., Project Task List, Content Calendar. Defining columns. Customize the columns to capture essential project information. Common columns include task name, assigned to start date, end date, status, priority, and any other relevant data points. Assigning ownership. Use the Assign to column, which can be a contact list column type, to assign specific tasks to team members. This ensures clear ownership and accountability. Setting dependencies. For projects with sequential tasks, establish dependencies between rows. This allows Smartsheet to automatically adjust subsequent dates if a preceding task is delayed, providing a realistic timeline. Utilizing formulas. Leverage Smartsheet's formula capabilities to automate calculations, such as calculating task duration or displaying conditional formatting based on status. 3. Leveraging communication features. Smartsheet offers several built-in communication tools to keep conversations contextual and accessible to the entire team. Row-level comments. To discuss specific tasks or items, click on a row and open the comments pane on the right. This allows team members to ask questions, provide updates, and share feedback directly related to that particular task. Sheet-level discussions. For broader discussions related to the entire sheet or project, use the Discussions tab. This is a great place for general announcements or high-level updates. Sharing attachments. You can attach relevant files, documents, images, etc., directly to rows or the entire sheet, keeping all necessary information in one place. 4. Visualizing progress with reports and dashboards. Gaining a clear overview of project progress is crucial for effective team management. Smartsheet's reporting and dashboard features provide powerful visualization capabilities. Creating reports. Reports allow you to aggregate and filter data from one or multiple sheets based on specific criteria. For example, you can create a report showing all overdue tasks assigned to a particular team member or a summary of milestones across different projects. Building dashboards. Dashboards provide a high-level visual summary of key project metrics using widgets. You can include charts, graphs, key performance indicators, KPIs, and links to relevant sheets and reports, offering a real-time snapshot of project health. Share these dashboards with your team to keep everyone informed of overall progress and potential roadblocks.